Zoe's running late.
As Charles has got stuck in Boston.
Should we do this another night?
Oh, I don't know. We're here, aren't we? I'm getting pretty hungry.
Right.
So, if I'm not prying, is this typical for you too? Dinner without asparagus?
I can usually wait. Cheerios help.
I don't really have that option. Strauss always seems to be getting stuck somewhere.
Well, luckily they have us to balance them out.
That's true. So, what do we have?
Not sure what you mean.
Are you sure? You're not sure? The only safe affairs between two people who want to stay in their marriages. You have a good time. Go home. Nobody gets hurt.
Sounds like you've had some experience with this.
I haven't, not really. I'm just trying to be confident so you agree with me. You don't have to answer me now. This is one of those offers that's good anytime. Have I said something wrong?
I do spend a lot of time waiting for Zoe to show up. But when she does show up, I'm always happy to see her. Nobody would get hurt. That's not true. It would hurt me to know I'm the kind of man who would do that to her.